Hey guys, one quick addition to the Unit 6 intro. So think of this as part B. I forgot to mention with Iron Jawed Angels, yes, it is a docudrama, but they did take a little bit of literary license and condensed some characters. In fact, there are two characters, Senator Layton and his wife, that are no one couple. There's no Senator Layton and there's no, I think it was Emily Layton. They are composite characters. So if you were to do a Google search, you wouldn't necessarily find them except as fictional characters. But the rest of the story is relatively on point, accurate, and true. So again, they sort of combined a bunch of people into two characters to make things a little bit easier to understand and to make it a more compelling story. Everything else pretty much on point. So enjoy.